There are a number of factors that promote national unity in Kenya. We can group these factors into three. 1. National symbols. 2. National days. 3. National language. Can you name Kenya's national symbols? Can you name the national days in Kenya? Can you name Kenya's national language? Kenya's national symbols are the Kenyan flag, the national anthem, the public seal, and the coat of arms. These national symbols are a common bond amongst Kenyans. The national days in Kenya are Madaraka Day, which is celebrated every 1st of June, Mashujaa Day, which is celebrated every 20th of October, and Jamhuri Day, which is celebrated every 12th of December. On these days, we come together to celebrate our independence and the heroes and heroines of our country. The other factor that promotes national unity is the national language. The national language in Kenya is Kiswahili. By speaking a common language, we are able to understand each other and therefore live in peace and harmony. All these are factors that promote national unity in Kenya.